Meaning of electrician.
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 Electrician. An electrician is a skilled tradesperson who specializes in the installation, repair, and maintenance of electrical systems. This includes wiring, circuits, and other electrical components in a variety of settings such as homes, commercial buildings, and industrial facilities. Electricians must have a thorough knowledge of electrical theory and safety practices, as well as expertise in reading and interpreting blueprints and schematics. They must also be able to use a wide range of tools and equipment to diagnose and repair electrical problems. Overall, electricians play a vital role in ensuring the safe and efficient operation of modern electrical systems.